Most people who start learning trading in 2025 will fail. Harsh truth? Yes. But here's the reason. They waste months, sometimes years, on outdated courses, fake gurus, and random YouTube rabbit holes. By the time they realize it, their money, their energy, and their confidence are gone. But what if I told you there are only 3 proven ways to learn trading effectively this year, and everything else is just noise? Stick with me, because if you get this right, you'll save yourself years of frustration and potentially thousands of dollars in losses. Pause. Music shifts brighter. Oh, and if you think trading is just gambling with candlesticks, stay tuned, because I'm about to flip that belief on its head. The Safe Foundation. Number 1. Structured learning with real market simulations. Here's the mistake most beginners make. They binge-watch trading videos, but never actually practice. Imagine trying to learn basketball by only watching highlight reels. You'd get destroyed on the court. The best traders in 2025 are using platforms with realistic simulators. You can test strategies, feel the pressure of real-time markets, but without losing actual money. That means when you finally go live, you don't panic every time a candle moves against you. Think of it as your trading gym. Reps, drills, practice. Because let's be honest, would you rather lose pretend dollars in a sim or watch your hard-earned paycheck disappear on your very first trade? Mini interruption, humorous tone. And no, YOLOing Tesla options because a TikTok trader said so is not practice. The mentor shortcut. Number 2, learn from a mentor, not a guru. Here's where most people get trapped. They follow someone online who shows off fancy cars, rented Airbnbs, and claims they cracked the code. But ask yourself, if they're really making millions trading, why are they selling $99 courses? In 2025, mentorship is the shortcut. That doesn't mean you need a Wall Street professional holding your hand 24/7. It means finding credible communities, real traders who share transparent results, explain their decisions, and give honest feedback. Having a mentor shaves years off your learning curve. Why? Because they've already made the mistakes you're about to make. They can warn you before you blow up your account. Pattern interruption, quick humor. Think of them as your trading GPS. Without one, you're just driving blind. And let's be real, nobody wants to crash into the financial ditch at 90 mph. And by the way, the third method, it's the one almost nobody talks about, but it might be the most powerful of them all. The mindset weapon. Number 3, train your mindset like an athlete. Here's the secret truth. Trading is 80% psychology, 20% strategy. You can have the best charts, the best mentors, the best tools, and still lose. Why? Because emotions, fear, greed, impatience will wreck your decisions faster than a market crash. The best traders in 2025 are treating their mindset like a weapon. They journal every trade. They review mistakes without shame. They set rules and actually stick to them. Pause, shift tone, inspirational. Think of it this way. In trading, your biggest opponent isn't the market, it's you. Master your emotions and the market starts to feel like an opportunity, not a threat. And yes, this means no revenge trading at 2 a.m. after losing a bet on Dogecoin. We've all been there. Don't do it. The payoff and amp, call to action. So, let's recap. Practice with real market simulators to build skill without risk. Learn from mentors, not self-proclaimed gurus. Master your mindset, because emotions, not charts, destroy most traders. If you focus only on these 3, you'll skip the noise, dodge the scams, and put yourself years ahead of everyone else stumbling blindly in 2025. But here's the final question. Are you going to just watch this and go back to scrolling? Or are you going to actually take action? Remember, time is your most valuable asset, and the earlier you build these skills, the more freedom you'll have in the future. And in my next video, I'll show you the single biggest trading mistake almost every beginner makes in their first month, and how to avoid it. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one. Outro music fades in, text on screen. Subscribe for more trading insights in 2025.